Hi, welcome to another video in the series of Adams tutorials. Today we will be discussing on un- link support. Link 1 in green, link 2 which is in pink, and here we have another link support for the link and the mirror support here, this one. And in the same way we have another cylinder which is this. So let me show you the connections for this. Joint 1, which is a rotating joint. Actually there should be a gear that rotates with the help of a motor, but that is replaced with the rotating motion that has been given to the joint. And then the second one, that is another rotation joint. A sliding joint has been given for the link. As it proceeds up, the link moves to the left of the support. There is another motion at the same point for the rotation as well, and there is a translation joint that has been given for the point over here. Here, that is given between the cylinder and the mirror support. The rotation joint has been given for the cylinder, for the link and the cylinder. Okay. Basically, the cylinder moves translationally, and the link moves in a rotation in the form of a rotary link. The same way happens with this link also. A rotation joint has been given for the link and cylinder, and a translation joint between cylinder and the support. Now a inline joint has been given between mirror support and the mirror. Let me show you. This is the inline joint. Okay. Next, a fixed joint has been given so that the mirror will be attached to the mirror support. See, that is been given for the mirror and the mirror support. There is a planar joint that has been given for the mirror, another support, link support here. These are the joints and the bodies. So a motion has to be given for the translation in the z-axis, and the translation has been given for another motion, and a rotary motion has been given for this. Okay. So these are the motions. The motion direction has been given, which you can see over here. See the green line that is indicating the left side of the motion, and this moves to the right of it. Okay. Oh no, that is also to the left of it. I gave a minus sign. Okay, it moves to the left. Both moves to the left basically. The direction is been you see is because due to the local coordinates. Okay, that is it. So now I tried my best to give the motion value, but there is a lot of room to change the motion, and even optimal has not been taken. It has to be worked on more, but the possible or the best of work I could do is this motion. Again, I would like to say that this is not the optimum motion I wanted it to be, but this is the best I could do with my little knowledge. Okay, let's move on to the simulation. See, there is a motion. That is it from my side. If there is a not optimum motion, that I already told you, but if you have come up with a best solution, I would appreciate that. Thank you.